How to compress PNG image file size. In this tutorial, we will show you step-by-step process to compress PNG image file size using Forensics Document Compressor software. To install the Forensics Document Compressor software, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. To begin, click on the Open button. This tool provides the user with 4 different document categories. User can choose either one of the options available. Each option allows the user to choose from different document file types. Let's select PNG option for this tutorial. It further enables the user to choose files or choose folders. Choose Files option to select single or multiple files. Choose Folders option to select the entire folder at once. Click on Choose Folder option and select the folder containing PNG images. And click on Select Folder button. A panel showing the list of selected folder or folders containing PNG images will appear on the left. Click on any folder to view its contents. A panel will appear next to it showing the list of all the PNG images, and here you can view the number of files within the folder. Contents of the image files can be previewed on the panel on the right. This tool also enables the user to search for the particular PNG image. Now let's see the compression process. Click on Export button and select Compress option. Location bar allows the user to select the destination path for the compressed PNG images. Click on Browse button to select the location. Delete Old Folders button will delete all the old folders. Enable or disable it using the button next to it. Open folder after export is done option will open the destination folder after export is done. Enable or disable it using the button next to it. Resize option can be used to resize the image size. When resize option is enabled, the user can see the height and width options. Adjust the height and width using the box next to the particular option. Convert images to grayscale option will convert colored images to black and white images, if any. Enable or disable it using the button next to it. Image quality level option can be used to adjust the quality of the image or images. Adjust the image quality using the box next to the particular option. After configuring all the settings, it's time for the compression process. Click on the Save button, and the compression process will start. Shortly, a pop-up will appear on the screen indicating that the trail version only shows the file details after compression but will not export files. And to remove the restriction, the user will have to purchase a license for the software. Click on OK. And here you can view the compression details and compare between the original and the compressed file size. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.